a little bit longer. So go a little bit longer. Hi, Bella. Then you're gonna turn over here. Oh, and don't hit the rock. Hi, Toxic Pony. Already got the tornado. You're gonna turn this way. Oh gosh. Well, I'm kind of glad I got stuck so I didn't get hit by those rocks. Oh, I missed some feathers, but oh well. Ooh, fun. What color are you painting it? So you come through here. And then you're going to find this little bitty pathway right here. And it's going to show you where the birds are. Ooh, light gray is pretty. So there's two different birds you can get. I already have one, so it's not going to pull it up. But you have to collect these. Now, to get these gems, it's a little confusing. But if you need help, we can definitely try. But yeah, you got to collect a lot of these throughout. So obviously, I won't get the bird, but the other black one, but that's fine. I don't have to. I'm happy we have one. But yes, that is how you get it. So hopefully if she joins us, I can help her find it. What'd you just do? I had already gotten the other jewel because I got the blackbird, so I had one jewel. Get that feather. Okay, how am I getting down? Whoa, okay, going that way. Okay, I'm coming back, Toxic Pony. I always feel like towards the end of the Halloween event is when I finally figure out how to get through this. Oh, hi, Sage. I've heard a lot of good things about that game. I have not played it yet, though. But thank you for stopping by, Jack. What? Stop.
Can I have chips because I ate my food?
You have to ask Daddy. Made it through. What's up?
Mom, is this little? Mom, is this little?
Yeah. Okay. It's gonna show me something. Thank you, Strawberry, for liking the live. Really appreciate it. More likes I get, the more people will find out about this awesome game. I did that one, but I didn't finish it. I'm stuck. I can't. What jewel does this give you? I won't click on it. Oh, I mean, we can play Wild Horse Island. I think because I already touched it once, it's not there anymore. So I might have to complete it, but I don't know what else to do. See, we don't have any PlayStations or consoles or anything. You can call you that? Okay. What else do you do, Toxic Pony? You have Nintendo? We don't have anything.
I have Nintendo.
You have a Nintendo Switch. Stop.
Can I show them my Nintendo Switch?
Okay. Yep, I clicked it. So now where do we go? Oh, we have to go there? Okay. Okay, now what?
Hi, Haven. Haven 2.
Yes, the original Haven. Now we have 2 Havens. Thank you. Yeah, no, I mean, it was during COVID when we started, so we had nothing else to do. So we just played all the time. Oh, so yeah, I think we already did this, but because we went to the white, come in here and we got a white one. But I guess you can do it. Oh, jump, horse, jump. Come on, you can do it. Whoa. Yes, this is Star Stable Cash. Got it. So now I can post a video. Sorry it took so long. I'm here.
You guys can get mad at me all you want, but this is for E-Bomb. Chris, clean up your head. You went down seats, then back up seats. That's not allowed. To be fair, I didn't know. Who cares? Go, everybody! Go!
Jack, can you turn it down? I don't see anything. You hear Mr. Beast? I know. Jack is being very, very loud. I did get the one over here, I guess. Oh, there's one. Got it. Yay. Perfect. So now I can send this to her or tag her in the video.